10 amazing facts about ocean life. A starfish doesn't have a brain. A giant squid's eyes are bigger than dinner plates. Octopuses have 3 hearts. The blue whale, the largest animal to have ever existed, is 96 feet long and weighs 125 tons. This is as much as 4 large dinosaurs, Brontosauri, 23 elephants, 230 cows or 1,800 men. The 14-foot-long narwhal is a whale whose tooth can reach up to 8 feet long. Did you know porpoises could surf? They are frequently seen riding the bow wave of a ship. They make no swimming motions and can ride the wave for more than an hour. They can also turn on their side or flip completely around. Surf's Up Porp. People used to think the manatee was a mermaid. The blue whale is the largest animal that ever lived. It could reach 100 feet long and weigh up to 150 tons. The emperor penguin is playful, and oftentimes lies on its chest and side to slide along the ice and snow. The northern fur seal, rather than using a layer of fat to keep it warm, depends on its thick fur with some 300,000 hairs per inch too.